like to talk to a human, please. Such a simple statement that Clary's using in their chat, but I think it makes a very big impact. So today, we're going to talk about how Clary, and let me refresh this for y'all, is using a very simple statement to get people to talk with sales. I love it. Very, very simple concept. You got their chat right here. And then they ask, how can I help? Now, I think what's so critical about this is so many of us are automating our chat and turning it into such a bot that it's not that easy to just get a hold of somebody in SaaS through chat. My experience with chat historically is like, I try to talk with somebody and they say, cool, someone usually responds within 1 to 3 hours. And it's really just like an email in a different UI, if that makes sense. Like I'm sending it, but it's not like they're communicating with me like in real time. They kind of get back to me and then I usually have to put an email in the chat to get an alert. So what I'd love for everyone listening and thinking about, and I think this is great for our clients, I know it helps my business and others, is how quickly can you get someone to a real person or qualified into an AE in booking? And so I think I'd like to talk to a human, please, is an amazing way to do this. And you can kind of see a little bit of their UI, right? They're using some questions to qualify, and then they ask for my email, and then they route me to an AE. You know, really quickly, you can see us trying to do something similar here. And we are booking meetings from this, right? So I'd like to talk to a human, please. You know, once again, really, really good flow that I highly recommend, right? Couple questions, once again, get their information, get them to an AE. I think that's really critical. So the faster you can get people talking to a human from your marketing, the better off it's going to work for you. Thanks, and bye, everybody.